So I recently received the FIFINE AM8, which is a dynamic cardioid microphone with USB and XLR connectivity options, and I've been putting it to the test through my content creation needs. Hey everyone, it's Rubes here, and today we're going to dive into the nitty-gritty of this microphone, breaking down the mic's build and sound quality, its features, whether it lives up to the hype, if it will take your content creation to the next level, and ultimately if I think it's worth your hard-earned cash. A big thanks to FIFINE for sending over the AM8 for this review. However, as always, my opinions and verdict will be honest. So before we dive any deeper, if you're enjoying the content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, as it really helps me out and keeps me making more videos for you. And as always, you'll find the FIFINE AM8 linked in the description below. Alright, let's kick things off with the unboxing. Right from the start, I quite like the box. It's super clean with a vibrant purple colorway across most of the packaging, which is really eye-catching. As you can see, they've also printed all the key features right on the sides of the packaging, so you get a full overview of the mic's capabilities before even opening it up. As soon as you lift the lid, you're greeted with the product pamphlets, which, let's be honest, no one reads. But actually, this device is that user-friendly, you won't need to anyway. But it's nice to see in case you do need troubleshooting help. Then you have the stand base. This base has some nice weight to it with this foam pad underneath to help keep your microphone in place and protect your desk at the same time. Then beneath a layer of protective foam, you get the main star, the microphone itself, right there front and center. It's all laid out neatly, and there's even a USB-C to USB-A cable included, complete with a branded Velcro tie. That's a nice little detail showing they've thought about presentation as much as performance. Now let's get into the AM8 itself and talk about the first thing which you notice, the look and the feel. First impressions, the white is super clean, a minimalist design with a matte finish that does honestly add a refined professional look, along with a very simple yet elegant brand logo on the side. The windscreen of this white AM8 is a light grey, which is a very nice touch to better blend in with the white body. It would have been nice if the mounting bracket was also white, however the black does provide a decent contrast. It's subtle yet powerful, fitting perfectly into any white theme setup like mine without drawing attention away from the rest of your gear. The AM8 also comes in black and pink colorways, so there's an option available for every kind of setup. This sleek aesthetic is great if you're streaming or recording videos where the mic's appearance actually matters. It won't overpower the scene, giving you a polished look that's perfect for professional and home setups alike. Moving on to the build quality, the AM8 has a mainly plastic body that feels durable and premium. It's not a flimsy, lightweight piece of tech. You can straight away see and feel this mic is built for reliability. The added weight of the base makes it feel more stable, reducing the chances of accidental bumps or falling over when you're recording. This level of durability is a major advantage, especially for content creators who rely on their gear day in and day out. With the AM8, you know you're investing in a mic that's designed to withstand regular use, whether you're streaming, podcasting, or recording voiceovers. For a budget microphone, the build quality definitely gets a tick in the value for money category. Getting into the features of the AM8, one standout feature is the on-body touch mute button. This allows you to mute the microphone instantly without needing to adjust your recording software or mixer settings. It's convenient for streamers or podcasters who want quick control, adding a smooth professional touch to your workflow. The AM8 also has a stylish RGB light ring at the base of the microphone. Not only does it look great on camera, but it's also controllable with just a touch of a button. This will really help the device blend well into your setup. For creators who rely on real-time feedback, the AM8 comes equipped with a headphone jack for live playback. This feature lets you monitor your audio as you record, so you can catch any adjustments needed right away without waiting for playback. It's an essential tool for ensuring your sound quality stays on point. Now here's where the AM8 stands out in terms of versatility. If you're like me and don't have a mixer or interface that supports XLR connections just yet, you can use the USB connection to plug it directly into your computer and use the recording software of your choosing. However, if you plan to improve your audio setup as your channel and audience grow, the AM8 has you covered with an XLR connection, making it future-proof. This flexibility means you can start simple and upgrade your setup over time. It's worth noting the microphone needs to be connected via USB in order to make use of the on-body functions. While the AM8 comes with a sturdy stand that works well for most setups, I'd recommend using a boom arm if it's within your budget. A boom arm provides more flexibility and easier speaking angles, which is especially helpful since this is a dynamic cardioid microphone that requires speaking directly into the top for the best sound quality. The AM8 also includes two handy volume and gain adjustment knobs. These knobs are solid and feel robust when turning, giving you greater, finer control. The first knob controls the microphone gain, letting you set the input volume based on your environment and personal preference, and the second knob adjusts the live hearing volume through your headphones, so you can control how loud you're hearing yourself in real time. Together, these knobs give you precise control over both your input and monitoring levels without needing to reach for external software. One of the best advantages of using a dynamic mic like the AM8 is its natural ability to cancel out background noise. Dynamic microphones are designed to focus on the sound directly in front of them while filtering out surrounding noise, making them perfect for content creators and gamers who need quieter, more controlled audio environment. If you're in a busy area like I am with constant traffic noise when the windows are open, this feature is a huge benefit. The AM8 does an excellent job of ignoring those distractions, ensuring that your voice comes through clearly without unwanted background sounds creeping into your content. This makes it an ideal choice for anyone who needs reliable noise reduction in their setup. Now let's break down the AM8's dynamic cardioid capsule a bit. The dynamic capsule is designed to capture rich, natural sound, while the cardioid pattern is perfect for isolating audio directly in front of the mic. This means your voice is the focus while background noise is kept to a minimum. For content creators, this setup is ideal. Whether you're streaming, recording, or podcasting, the AM8 gives you professional grade clarity that lets your voice stand out, minimizing the need for heavy post-production editing. You get a clean, clear sound right from the start. I've actually been using the FIFINE AM8 throughout this entire episode, so you have already been able to hear how great the sound quality is. However, let's do a sound comparison test with the usual mic I've used for all my videos so far, and that is the DJI Mic 2. This is Rubes, aka Button Bandit, and I am completing a microphone comparison sound test. This is Rubes, aka Button Bandit, and I am completing a microphone comparison sound test. This is Rubes, aka Button Bandit, and I am completing a microphone comparison sound test. This is Rubes, aka Button Bandit, and I am completing a microphone comparison sound test. As you can hear, the AM8 provides a fuller, crisper audio profile, even in a typical room setup. It's easy to hear the difference. This mic really gives you amazing sound at an accessible price point. So who's this mic for? The FIFINE AM8 is especially ideal for those just starting their content creation journey on a budget. Whether you're a streamer, podcaster, or any other kind of content creator, this mic is a solid upgrade from using headphones, cheap lapel, or mobile phone microphones, providing a very noticeable improvement in sound quality without breaking the bank. Not only does it deliver excellent performance out of the box, but it's also future-proofed with XLR compatibility, making it a great choice if you plan to eventually move to a mixer setup. Plus, it's perfect for creators in busy environments or in households with a lot of background noise, thanks to its noise isolation capabilities. For streamers, it's perfect for keeping background noise out and your voice clear. Podcasters will appreciate the professional sound quality, while video creators get a sleek, functional mic that complements any setup. The AM8 truly brings quality audio to creators who want a reliable, long-term solution as they grow. So what do I think about the FIFINE AM8 microphone? First, I'll talk about the pros. So the first thing is the provided windshield actually works as a pretty decent pop filter as well for a budget mic in this price range. The second thing is with dual connectivity, you have the ability to start recording amazing quality sound right away without any additional equipment, but you can also upgrade to an XLR mixer setup if you want down the track. Third on the list is that it does a great job at isolating background noise, so if you find yourself trying to record or stream in a loud environment, this budget mic will be a game changer. And the fourth point on the pro list is that it's literally as simple as plugging and recording right away without needing to install any drivers or software for the mic itself to work. As for the cons, you have to speak rather close into the mic to get a nice deep sound from your voice. I'm currently speaking at about 2 to 3 inches away from the microphone, but take this as an example. The closer you get to the mic, your sound does get fuller, thicker, and richer, but the mic will end up picking up a lot of popping sounds and breathing sounds from your nose, which is natural. This can, however, be fixed with an add-on pop filter screen like you need for pretty much almost a lot of other mics out there on the market. The second thing on the cons list is that the AM8 is marketed as a low budget microphone, which you would expect that would include everything you need to get you going. However, if you had room in your budget to pick up a mixer and you want to use the XLR interface straight away, be sure to pick up an XLR cable, as that's not included in the box like you have a USB cable. The third and final item on my cons list is the lighter colored windscreen helps keep closer with the white colorway aesthetic, which is great, but the mounting bracket in my opinion should also be white to keep it consistent. Now, I wouldn't by any means call any of these points I've just made deal breakers, they're just my honest feedback about the AM8. So would I recommend the FIFINE AM8 microphone? If like me, you are time poor, you are in the early stages of your content creation journey and you're sticking to a budget, you want something that you can plug in and start recording right away without having to set up filters or noise gates to get amazing audio quality, then yes, I would absolutely recommend this microphone, as I believe it's the perfect starter microphone for those who prefer to spend their time creating content and not worrying about becoming a sound technician for every video they produce in their early days. Overall, the FIFINE AM8 delivers professional grade sound quality, durability, and an amazing design at an accessible price point. With its excellent noise isolation, reliable build, and user-friendly features, it's a mic I'll be using for all of my content moving forward, and I would recommend it for anyone looking to improve their audio quality without the need to overspend. Once again, a big thanks to FIFINE for gifting the AM8 for this review. Now that you've heard my thoughts on the AM8, I'm curious to know what you think. Drop a comment below letting me know if you are using your headphone mic and would consider upgrading to this budget-friendly microphone. As always, you'll find the FIFINE AM8 linked in the description below, and if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, as I have a lot more content coming your way. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next episode.